Wagwan, wagwan, it's your girl Tash, and I am so excited. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself, you don't know, up. Guys, great things are happening. Great things are happening and are about to happen on this channel. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on a thing. So I finally got Warren on camera. He's one of my very loyal clients from day one. Some of you guys might see his hairstyles on my Instagram or on my Facebook. Big up yourself, Warren, even though you always give me trouble every time you come here. But big up yourself same way. One love. What he asked for versus what he got. So this one is very tricky because what he's asking for may not be possible, as A$AP Rocky has a full head of hair and this client has both the sides of his head faded. So this hairstyle might not look the same on him as it does on A$AP Rocky, but let's see how I can work my magic with this one. Another thing is that his hair curls up a lot after it's braided, so I most definitely might need to add some extensions into the two braids that will be falling over his face. So let's see how that goes. And this is just a demonstration, so if you would like me to talk you through this process, you can book a virtual one-to-one tutorial with myself and I. Just visit our website speecheshairstyles.co.uk and book your appointment today. A big shout out to all my clients who traveled from north, south, east and west of England to start their hair journey with me. Big up on yourself, you don't know, up. And to all the clients who traveled from other countries, may I talk about Scotland, France, Amsterdam, the United States of America. Big up on yourself, one love. A big massive shout out to all my customers who has been continuously supporting my hair care brand. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. For those of you who don't know about the amazing hair growth journeys on this channel, please check out my playlist to find out more. And if you would like to purchase my Speeches hair care products, please visit our website speecheshairstyles.co.uk. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And even if you don't have anything good to say, I still would like to hear you guys comment, spread the word and subscribe to my channel. Also, please follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to keep up with my hairstyles and things. Up. And guys, if you need any hair care tips or advice on how to grow back your bald patches or how to grow your hair faster and healthier, you can also book a one-to-one consultation with myself and I on our website speecheshairstyles.co.uk.